So this week I was telling y'all with Ubereats, when you first sign up, you can get into a league. Well, I got into the league, and the winner gets $150. Well, it's not looking good for anybody else because apparently I don't know if you can see this or not. Oh, probably not. There's me with 141 trips. The guy behind me had 113. Yeah, they didn't have a chance. They're just not a go-getting kind of crew like I am. Now, I admit I had to go through 3 oil changes, 2 sets of tires, and a transmission, and 4 speeding tickets. But hey, I won $150. The main thing is I'm a winner. They're all losers. No, I actually, with everything, earnings, with that $150 plus all the bonuses. Of course, I put in a lot of hours because of my circumstances, but I'll work on that. But $1,251 for the week. I'm done. They're going to shut me off here. They say I got about 10 minutes left to go today, which you can get 12 hours. And today I just woke up and I just went to work. But now it's time to go watch the Super Bowl. Now that I am victorious, I don't know who's going to be victorious in this Super Bowl, and I don't even know if I care. It's lucky. Obviously, the Saints aren't going to win, and neither are the Cowboys. So, clearly, I have no dogs in this fight. Anyhow, peace out. Y'all have a good one. Take care.